Hi, this is John Anthony. This is the weekend assignment for Introduction to Ballistics and Firearms. Um, I got everything set up right now. These are all the dummy rounds that SDI sent. The rest, the 9mm over here in the first project I used. First things first, everything is safe and clear. Gun safe behind me is locked to the rear. There is no live ammunition here. First thing first, got the all the ammunition out here. I'm going to start taking them apart, trying to get through this part so I could start drawing everything up to scale. Place a little grommet in here. So the bullets, tighten up, hammer, got the vise. Bullet. Obviously, these do not have propellants, powders in there. Obviously, you know, I would pour that out into a tray, get my measurements that way and stuff. If I want to do that, I'm gonna try to take all these apart pretty fairly quick so I can go to the scales to measure and everything and adjustments. Pick that up. Sorry, projectiles flying. Not gonna lie, it's kind of violent. Huge projectile. Hammer up here. Gonna try to make things shorter. Kind of trace everything already with a bullet in there, but I am going to do another live scale drawing. With the other ones done, just to be time on it. All right. I have everything set up right there. I do have my sheet from the last assignment. It's a 9mm by 99 parabellum round. Got the dimensions and everything set up right there. But that's the other one that we did. I'm gonna hurry up, try to do some quick dimensions. This is gonna be a belted round. Base diameter 5.525. Diameter of the actual cartridge 5.125. Let's get the length in here. 2.5055. 2.5055. Diameter of the projectile, 0.29. 0.2910. Let's get the length in there. 1.356. Ouch. Nice. Can't really get that without rolling. Let's go to the next. Rim is going to be 0.4890. Diameter is going to be 0.4210. Got a pair of digital calipers for sure. Definitely way faster than a manual. 2.039. Length. Diameter. 1.3. Check the length real quick, and we'll try to finish this out. One 4.75. So got all the diameters. Kind of did 2 to 3 already, trying to save time. Did the diameter. So what you want to do? Obviously look at your gonna look at the resources given. The gun cartridge of the world. You're gonna look at all the adjustments, everything that's on there. Obviously, the head stamp kind of says what the actual round is already. So first round I'm gonna go through that. This one, the big one, is that's a 7mm or 300 Remington Winchester Magnum. This last one, or the next one, is going to be 30-30 Winchester, 38 Special, nice popular balanced round, and 223 Remington. Looking at those diameters, obviously, the numbers might be a little bit off once you look in the context of the cartridges of the world. Might be a little bit, but you have to do a look across everything. Case length, case diameter, bullet length, bullet diameter, various things, belt lengths, all that. As recommended by you, getting a digital caliper definitely does help. Did write a couple notes on these cartridges. The 7 millimeter, or the 300 Winchester Remington Magnum, introduced in 1962, with the model, with the Remington Model 700, bolt action rifle. It is belted. I did mention that. I did get um, the belt diameter on there, because that's where the head spacing comes from. It was intended to be, as a 100 cartridge, and it is less recoil than the 300 Weatherby Magnum that was produced before it. The next one is going to be the 33rd Winchester small to medium game rifle cartridge. Also dimension is 7.8 by 51, flash shooting, and introduced in 1894. 38 Special. Um, 38 Special was introduced in 1902. It's a military cartridge at first, and it was intended to replace the 38 Long Colt. Um, Last but not least is the 223. It's a bottleneck cartridge introduced in 1957, most commonly used today, still used today, and usually most widely used in the AR-15 platforms. Definitely use this round a lot. Probably the most used round I use. I do use the 38 Special, one of my the 3030, and one of my lever action guns. The other round was the 9x19 Parabellum round, self-defense round, that we used in the last project. Um, Very common round used in the handgun, very sufficient, and very good at self-defense purposes. With that being said, that is my week 8 project assignment being done for introduction ballistics and firearms.